Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to your videos on the Cinemagraph application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the gallery button down below, which is the fourth option, and select a video that you have uploaded. Then click on the edit button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the last option down below, and here you can find the preset filters that you can apply. So if you tap on the relevant one, you are going to see how it looks like applied or inserted. So feel free to try out each of them, and after selecting the one that suits your video the most, then just simply tap on it, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.